Hello, Mimi's Munchkins. Do you like it when I speak in rhyme? Subscribe to the channel and like the video every time. Were you good for Mommy and Daddy? Did you brush your teeth on time? Great job. This is Luke. He's a friend of mine. Oh, Mimi's Munchkins, tell me some news. I'm a little forgetful, so I wrote down some questions for you. Mimi has some sponsors. I think it's pretty swift. They have to do with bowling, Just Pro Shop, and Roll Fit. And if you like craft burgers, french fries, tots, this place is a winner. Head on over to Holy Cow in Idaho for lunch and dinner. And to all my subscribers, it means so much to me. A huge thank you from Mimi. Oh, Munchkins, did sister start school and you have to stay home? Do you want her all day and you have to play alone? As she gets home, do you jump for joy? And now she can play with you and all of your toys? Did she bring something home for you? Maybe some special snack for just the two of you? Oh, Munchkins, you make me so proud. I think it's ready to read a book aloud. So sit back, relax, or snuggle in. And Mimi Michelle's bedtime stories begin. Today is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. This is by Mo Willems. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Shoo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop chew! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. That was a cute book, wasn't it, Munchkins? Remember, you're special and unique, and there's nobody else in the world like you. Let's get ready for goodnight kisses. Mwah! Now give them to Mom and Dad. Now scurry off. It's time for bed. Until next time, remember, Mimi Michelle loves you. Good night.